Namaste, this is Shruti and you're watching Glow by Shruti. So in today's video, I'll be showing you some hacks and tricks on how you can hide these pimples marks. So काफी time से I've been facing this issue and I have started to believe that they're gonna stay forever. Just kidding, I hope they go soon. Until then, why not a video on how I hide them? So without much ado, let's get started. Starting on with the first step, which is moisturizing. So मैं आप लोगों को suggest करूँगी if you have acne issues तो please avoid using oil on your skin. Rather go for a very mild moisturizer. तो मैं यहाँ पे use कर रही हूँ Johnson's Baby Cream and I'll mix it with Vaseline Petroleum Jelly Aloe Vera. Now comes the second part, जो है priming your skin. So here I'm using a base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer from Sugar. So it's very important that you use a pore minimizing primer if you have acne on your skin, because usually it will clog your pores and then the product won't go that much into your skin and it will give a protection layer again. So prime your skin very well. So here is the third step. I personally like to lock my skin after primer with this MAC Prep Prime Spray, setting spray. This helps me, maybe it will help you too. So the next step, which I use mostly to cover my pimples, is using this Krylon Supra color in the shade Chin. This actually, personally, I believe gives a very high coverage and helps hiding the pimples a lot. So use a damp beauty blender to blend this. So as you can see, 50% the marks has been reduced. So before moving on to the foundation step, I always like to add on some illuminator and highlighter on my face. So here I'm using this Blinge Leader Illuminating Moisturizer in the shade 02 Pink Tripping from Sugar. And then I'll dab my face with this highlighter from Forever 52. So here's a piece of advice. If you have acne issues, please do not put more layers of foundations, because usually people think कि जितनी layer लगाएंगे foundation पे की और maybe products की तो उतने pimples कम होंगे, but it is not true. जितना layers you will put on your face, you will end up looking like a piece of a cake. The face will look very cakey and this won't look good. So after this step, I like to apply a foundation. This is Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. It has SPF 10 as well. So I am in the shade IW2 Sand. So I'll apply this foundation. This is by far my favorite foundation. So now I'm done with the foundation. Now comes the step, which is highlighting your areas like under eye, jawline and forehead. So for this I'll be using this Kryolan Supra color in the shade Ivory, and I will mix this with this Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer in the shade Natural. So I'll be mixing both these products to highlight my face. Then I'll do some eye makeup. I'm using this Huda palette. This is the shade Topaz Obsessions, and I'll be using this shade particularly. Not a proper yellow, but light yellow color. And I mix this with this rust color to create a beautiful eye look. So now it's time for the bronzer. So this is how it looks. It's because I don't want to go high on bronzer or contouring right now. So for mine, this is preferably a good option. So I'll be using this Note 04 Tarot Card Blusher as a bronzer on my cheeks and my nose. So I'll be using this colored mascara from Kiko Milano. This is in the shade 03. So this is the colored mascara. I'll show you the color. This is how the color is. I won't apply blush much because I just want to go with this look. I don't want to go with the blush, but still just to give a little pinky or reddishness, I'm using this Nykaa Duo Blush Palette. This is in the shade Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo Malibu Barbie 03 Coral Plus Peach. So I will mix both these and I'll just give a little this effect on my cheeks. Not too much, just a little bit. Yeah, that's it. So for highlighter, again I'll be using this Forever 52 highlighter palette. So for the lips, I'll be using this lipstick from Inglot. This is in the shade 405. So I'll be using this for the lips. I just love this color. This is kind of a nude color. I'm almost done with this. So this is a nude color and it goes almost with all the looks, every color you wear. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you all like this video. These were my little hacks and tricks to hide the pimples and I hope you like it too. Until next time, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.